In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom into a video in CapCut using keyframes. To get started, open the CapCut desktop app on your computer. Once the program is open, go ahead and open a project that already contains a video clip. If your clip is not yet in the timeline, add it there first so you can begin editing. This is important because keyframe-based zoom effects are applied directly to the clip you want to animate. Next, click on the video clip in the timeline to make sure it is selected. This tells CapCut exactly which clip you want to work with. After that, move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom effect to begin. The playhead controls the exact moment where your animation starts, so take a second to place it carefully. Now look over to the right side panel and open the Video tab. Inside that area, find the Transform section. This is where you'll control how the clip appears on screen, including its size and position. In the Transform section, locate the Scale setting. Scale is what makes the image appear larger or smaller, so this is the setting that creates the zoom in effect. Beside Scale, click the Keyframe button. This creates your starting keyframe and tells CapCut to remember the current scale at this exact point in time. Once that keyframe is set, move the playhead forward on the timeline. The farther forward you go, the slower and more gradual the zoom will feel. A shorter distance creates a quicker zoom, so you can choose the pacing that fits your video. With the playhead in the new position, increase the scale value. As soon as you change it, CapCut should automatically create a second keyframe. This second keyframe marks the end of the zoom and tells the software to animate smoothly from the first scale value to the second one. After that, check the preview window so you can see how the framing looks. Then click the play button to preview the effect in motion. Watch closely and confirm that the video smoothly zooms in between the two keyframes. If the zoom feels too subtle or too strong, simply adjust the scale values until it looks right. Finally, confirm that the zoom effect looks correct and fits naturally within your edit. Once it does, you're done. That's how to create a clean zoom in effect in CapCut using keyframes.